Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency and tackling one of the biggest names in the game, Binance. If you've ever felt a little intimidated by crypto trading, don't worry. This video is your complete beginner's guide to getting started on Binance, step by step. By the end, you'll feel way more confident and ready to make your first trade. So what exactly is Binance? Think of it as a giant online marketplace, but instead of buying and selling everyday goods, people are trading digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of others. It's the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, which means there's a lot of activity, and you can find almost any cryptocurrency you're interested in. First things first, you need to create an account. Head over to the Binance website or download their app. The registration process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide an email address or phone number and create a strong password. Security is super important in the crypto world, so I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA right away. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account, usually through an app on your phone. Once your account is set up, you'll need to complete the identity verification process, often called KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. This is a standard requirement for most legitimate exchanges to comply with financial regulations. You'll typically need to upload a photo of your government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and take a quick selfie to prove it's really you. It might seem like a bit of a hassle, but it's crucial for keeping the platform secure for everyone. Alright, with your account verified, it's time to add some funds. This is how you'll buy your first crypto. Binance offers a few different ways to do this. The easiest method for beginners is often using a credit or debit card. You can directly buy popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or a stablecoin like USDT, which is pegged to the US dollar. Another popular option is a bank transfer, which might have lower fees but can take a little longer. Just go to the Buy Crypto section and follow the instructions. It's designed to be very user-friendly. Now for the exciting part, making your first trade. Let's navigate to the trading interface. Binance has a few options, like Convert, Classic, and Advanced. For your first time, I suggest starting with the Convert feature. It's the simplest way to trade one cryptocurrency for another without having to look at complex charts. You just select the crypto you have, the crypto you want to get, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. It's instant and super easy. Once you're a bit more comfortable, you can explore the classic spot trading interface. It might look a little overwhelming at first with all the charts and numbers, but let's break it down. On the left, you'll see the order book, which shows what other people are willing to buy and sell at. In the middle is the price chart, showing the coin's history. And at the bottom is where you place your orders. The two most common types of orders are market and limit. A market order is the simplest. You just say how much you want to buy or sell, and Binance executes the trade immediately at the best available current price. It's fast and guarantees your order will be filled. A limit order, on the other hand, lets you set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, but only if the price drops to a certain level, you can set a limit order. Your order will only execute if the price reaches your target. This gives you more control over the price you pay. And that's really the basics of trading on Binance. Create an account, secure it, add funds, and start with either the simple Convert tool or try a market order in the spot trading section. My biggest piece of advice for beginners is to start small. Only invest what you're comfortable with losing, as the crypto market can be very volatile. Take your time, do your own research on the projects you're interested in, and never stop learning. I hope this guide helped demystify Binance for you. It's a powerful platform with a ton of features, but getting started is easier than you think. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto guides and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what you'd like to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.